India, a land of more than 1 billion dreams, each finding its own place for a better everyday life. But where do these dreams begin? Most days they begin at home, in the mirror catching your own eye, in the shower while your mind wanders, on the sofa between screens and silence, when spending time with your loved ones together during celebrations and festivities. Because home isn't just for walls, it's where dreams feel safe to begin. For over 80 years, we've designed home furnishing solutions that make room for your dreams, inspiring a better everyday life. Because home is where dreams take shape. IKEA, it all starts at home.